Hi, this is Chris Newmarker. I'm executive editor of Mass Device, the online news journal for the medical device industry. It's Thursday, March 11th, 2021. We're going to go through the Newmarkers Newsmakers, the top 5 medtech news stories on Mass Device so far this week. Number 5 on the list, we've got Baxter's going to make Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine right here in the United States. The goal is to make 60 to 90 million doses of Moderna's vaccine this year, and they're going to be making it at Baxter Biopharma Solutions manufacturing facilities in Bloomington, Indiana. Number 4 on the list, we've got BD partnering with Image Mover. They're going to be making a COVID-19 test mobile app, and this mobile app is going to go along with antigen testing that runs on the BD Veritor Plus system. So just another way to try to make COVID tests more accessible and just help us better manage this ongoing pandemic. Number 3 on the list, we've got a Varian Medical Systems CFO Michael Bruff is resigning. This is just another personnel move that we're seeing over at Varian Medical Systems, which is going to get acquired soon by Siemens Healthineers. Siemens Healthineers is planning to spend $16.4 billion to acquire Varian. It's a major deal in the medtech space, and the announcement that Bruff is resigning comes on the heels of CEO Dal Wilson saying he's going to retire after the acquisition closes, which is expected sometime in the first half of this year. Number 2 on the list, we've got FDA authorizing a T-cell antibody COVID-19 test. Test is made by Adaptive Biotechnologies, and this is described as just another test that should hopefully help us collect more data to better understand what is still a mysterious kind of coronavirus. Still a lot of things we need to learn about how our immune systems respond to it. And number 1 on the list is it's right here in the Twin Cities where I'm based. We've got Boston Scientific expanding its Maple Grove campus in the West Metro. They're going to be building a 4th building on the campus that's roughly 76,000 square feet. It's going to support expanded nitinol stent manufacturing. And a company spokesperson tells me that this is just kind of indicative of the success they've been seeing with products including Watchman, Alluvia, Innova. So it's time to expand the campus so that they can expand the manufacturing as well, and this will open up space for them to do new types of production on the campus in the future. So those are the top stories this week on Mass Device. If you want to hear me discuss them more, check out our latest Device Talks weekly podcast that should be posting in coming days. You can also find Mass Device on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Facebook. I'm starting to hang out on Clubhouse some. Me and Tom Salemi are going to be there on Monday morning. And then, for all news medical device, go to massdevice.com. Thanks a lot. Hope you have a great weekend. Remember daylight savings time. Take care.